Do you want to learn how to find your top artists on Spotify? Well, you've come to the right video. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do this. However, please ensure that you watch this video until the very end to avoid any mistakes during the process. To begin, please note that we won't be able to accomplish this task through the app. Instead, we'll open up our web browser and navigate to statsforspotify.com. Rest assured, this website is completely secure, so you don't need to worry about anything. I'll provide a direct link in the description below for your convenience. Visit statsforspotify.com and sign in to your account. Once signed in, you will encounter three options: top tracks, top artists, and top genres. Since we aim to find our top artists, simply select the top artists option available here. You'll be able to view your top artists for the last 4 weeks, the last 6 months, and even the all-time option. These are some of the top artists you've been listening to on Spotify. We genuinely hope you've enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please express your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. Should you have any questions or comments about the topic covered in today's tutorial, we'd be thrilled to hear from you in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a fantastic day ahead.